Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I'm coming today because I'm starting a new video challenge YouTube series, which is going to be the Kinky Straight series, or the affordable Kinky Straight series. I haven't really figured out what I want to call it yet, but basically my hunt is going to be finding affordable kinky, curly, and kinky straight hair. When I say affordable, I mean anything under $100 total, as far as like clip-ins, wigs, half wigs, bundles, fundles, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So the other day I was on Amazon and I was like, should I get a wig that's been reviewed before on there, or should I try something new? So I decided to try something out, see how it came, see what was up, and how I felt about it, and report back. So I chose a unit that did not have any reviews, so I'd be its very first reviewer, and I was hoping for good things, and that didn't happen, y'all. So this, it came in this packaging. Amazon has some new cute packaging going on that I'm fond of because it reminds me of my school's colors. And I got it. It is the Lindell lace front kinky straight black synthetic wig, and she looks like, hold on, where's the front, y'all? I'm such a mess. She looks like this. And I will insert some footage I took when I first got her, because I played around with her before I made the decision if I was going to cut the lace or not. I think I have recently tried it on without the lace cut, and I'm going to put an image up of how it looked when I got it. So you see the front, right? See how it looks real kinky, like kind of like a yaki texture, kind of blowout-ish. And in the back, I want y'all to look. I've brushed it some, so it's a little bit untamed, but basically like the loose beach waves. Very shiny, as where this is a little bit duller, not as shiny, and then boom, this, you get these loose kind of beach, like loose braid out, maybe like you did some large cornrows, and then you got this. So my issue, and the reason I did not cut the lace on this, is that it's two completely different textures. Like you maybe get an inch or so of parting space right there, down the middle. Well, that's not actually the middle, it's next to the middle, because this is a widow's peak hairline, which I really liked because I have a widow's peak and it's always hard customizing. So I had a widow peak hairline, about an inch of parting space, which I mean, that's trash, but it's soft lace, which is nice because I don't like the hard lace. It has no clips, which I thought was interesting, but it fit my head snugly because I did try it on. Has these little grip things, and then the adjustable strap, and it comes with a tag. I got it on 1B, and the cap construction was nice. So far when I combed it out, it didn't shed much, but what really irritated me was that no matter how much I brushed it and brushed it and brushed it, this did not look like this. It did not look kinky straight. It looked like, I don't know what to call it. I guess beach waves. Very shiny, very plasticky. And I knew I could take some dry shampoo and put it on there and brush it out and get rid of the shine. But it still did not give me that texture that I was looking for and what I thought I was buying. So that's why I'm returning it. And I really did want to try it on just so y'all could see what it looked like without the lace. Oh my. This is no makeup day, y'all. See what it looked like without the lace, but that just was not happening at all. It wasn't. And I can read y'all the specs from Amazon. So this says it is a really nice full layered shags, natural look and movement. Stylish and trendy, great little wigs, really nice, fully layered, 100% heat resistant, premium quality synthetic hair with heat resistance up to 377 degrees Fahrenheit, about 24 inches, so 60 centimeters. Jumbo afro wigs, color 1B. Smooth like human hair. And then the description has it under kinky straight. There is nothing kinky straight. Well, the frontal is kinky straight. So like, what? I just feel like I wasted my time. Thankfully I can get a full refund. But y'all know to stay clear of this if you're looking for kinky straight on Amazon. The seller is Lydell. The wig is a Lydell lace front. And they have other stuff. So once I send this back, I'm going to leave a review and I'll link it there as well. But yeah, that's about it. So next up on the Kinky Straight series are some Kinky Straight clip-ins that I ordered, and they're arriving tomorrow. I don't know, maybe today. If I edit today and I post tomorrow, they'll be arriving sometime this week. Anyways, or maybe not, because it's USPS, and USPS doesn't work on MLK Day because it's a holiday. That doesn't make much sense. Yeah, but I ordered some clip-ins, and they're ombre, so we'll see how those work and what's the deal on that. They were only $10. Yeah, but basically that's enough rambling. So was this wig a flop? Yes, it was. It had some nice features. I like the cap construction. I like how it fit my head. It was just false advertisement, and I'm not here for that at all. Wasted my time. Didn't waste my money because I'm getting a refund. God bless Prime. God bless Amazon, so I get everything back. Yeah, so if there's any units you'd like me to try out, browse Amazon, let me know. I'm really looking forward to doing this series, and thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.